I might not be the right one to do this, but just go for it. Okay, so here we go. Do you like the football? Do you really like the football? We're about a week away from the first kickoff of the NFL season, and catching your favorite team's games is a little more complicated looking around the streaming services landscape. Live games, local, out of market, preseason, postseason, there's a web of apps and channels you'll need if you're a die-hard football fan. Or maybe we can simplify this and just get the NFL Sunday Ticket. It's a monster of a streaming option, but is it the right fit for you? And while you're watching 8 games every Sunday, we hope you'll find some time during the week to catch up with all the work here on Reviews.org. Hit those subscribe options down below, give us a follow around the socials, and check out the home site, Reviews.org. We've got a great team making you some really fun stuff to watch. Okay, part of the conclusion up front, NFL Sunday Ticket is a premier service, and it's best enjoyed by the really hardcore fans. Sunday Ticket is a DIRECTV add-on. You can get it included while signing up for a new DIRECTV account, or in select markets, you can subscribe standalone as a streaming option. You have to know you really want it though. The to-go tier is $294 for a season. The max tier is $396 a season, and Sunday Ticket with NFL Plus Premium is $444 a season as a bundle. That's a little bit of cash. For those subscriptions, you get every live out-of-market Sunday game you can watch on basically any compatible screen, TV, phone, laptop, tablet, but you can only stream to one screen at a time, so there's no password sharing. There's a built-in player tracker to help with fantasy stats, and you can watch up to 4 games on a screen at the same time. The max tier adds the Red Zone channel, which will switch gameplay to any team near the end zone, and the Fantasy Zone channel to dig even deeper into stats and strategies for your fantasy lineup. It's an incredible amount of football. The tricky part, regional restrictions and availability. Licensing deals mean consumers might not have access to the plan in their area. A small upside though, if you're a college student, you can get a reduced rate on that max plan. If you qualify, that would bring the total cost per season down to $100. But even at full price for Sunday Ticket Max and NFL Plus Premium, paying for an entire season of streaming is roughly the same price as taking my family to see one Broncos game in the cheap seats. So yeah, this isn't really the fit for me. I'm a super casual football viewer, and I'm mostly fine with recaps and highlights. But beyond just the hardcore mega football nerds out there, I totally see where this could be fun to splurge on if you wanted to be the house that everyone crashed at on Sundays. Now, really put that huge new TV you have to good use while people hang out and snack, like a real fun tailgate, but with more comfortable seating. If you and your buddies are really into football, you could be that really fun host that gets to show off. So we want to hear from you. Are you subscribing to Sunday Ticket this year? Is it motivating you to maybe sign up for DIRECTV? Drop us some of those fun hot takes down in the comments below. I don't even know if the Broncos are going to be any good this season. We'll have to see. And to dig in a bit deeper, we have a great write-up on Sunday Ticket on our home site, Reviews.org, which will also be linked in the description for a bit more detail on what you get and what you're going to pay for. As always, thanks so much for watching, for sharing these videos, and subscribing to the channel. For Reviews.org, I'm Juan Carlos Bagnell, aka Some Gadget Guy, and I will catch you all on the next video.